Hey guys, and welcome back to Daniel Family Garden. So we are going to get this basket that has the Yukon Gold potatoes. We're going to go ahead and take it and flip it out because the potatoes are the roots and things right here are starting to die. We actually pulled this one up and got some nice size potatoes here right there. So we literally just pulled those up. So we're about to go ahead and dump this Yukon Gold basket, and then we'll probably wait until next week to dump this purple potato, and that one is the red potatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and dump this basket, and we'll see what we got. So we're just gonna dump it, and we're just gonna pick the potatoes out and see what we got here. Oh, friend, they got a bunch of worms in there. Look at all these worms, y'all. So we are pulling all these potatoes out. That's the slit that it was growing from. That's the slit that it was growing from, y'all. One of the potato slits. Look at that. There's one, that's a big one right there. It's a small one. Look at this, y'all. And we're just tossing that stuff out to the side, and we did it in a wheelbarrow. That way we can reuse this dirt that we have. Look at this, all these potatoes we're digging up out of here. Oh, there's some more. I honestly think that was pretty good considering, you know, we had a small basket. We didn't have a large basket. That was literally a small basket. And look. And you can see where we had grew some of them from the potato slits that we had. But I think we got them all. I think we got them all, guys. That's it. And we ended up with some decent sized potatoes, y'all. Look at these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these put in a different container and get them cleaned up a little bit, and I might cook these this weekend. Probably end up cooking these this weekend, y'all. And we also got 2 more baskets of potatoes. We have red potatoes here, and then we have, well, that's purple potatoes and our red potatoes here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my local nursery, and I'm gonna actually pick up some more potatoes, and we're gonna do this again with this basket because it was easy to do, y'all. We didn't have no issues. Oh, here's one right here still in the basket. Look, there's one here. Look, still in the basket. There's another one. And you can see where we grew like the potato slit from before. So, hey guys, it worked. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more. We have a decent amount of potatoes considering the size of the basket we had, and we're gonna redo this again, and I'm gonna pick up some more potatoes, maybe pick up some russets next time. And you know, we probably could have let it sit a little bit longer, but hey, it is what it is. We wanted to see what we had going on, so we was like, you know what, screw it, let's just do it. So we just did it like Nike. All right guys, make sure you guys stay tuned for more, and we're gonna make another video starting another basket of potatoes.